Okay guys, so today I'm gonna read There is a Bolt on Your Head by Willems. Okay. So today I'm gonna read this. Oh, what the heck? It's a donation. I never heard that. The air fryers. There's a bone on my head by more worms. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. Is there a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Oh my god. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The two birds on my head is love. They are love birds. Love birds? How do you know they're love birds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. You have 3 big eggs on your head. I don't want these 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Look, they're hatching. They're gonna crack. Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Look, now the eggs are gone. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And I have 2 birds on the nest. I do not want these 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Ask them. Okay. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Yo, these birds are on his head. Oh my god. Now it repeats. Woo! Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I'll see you. So, thank you. Bye-bye.